Hi, I'm Roxanne with Catholic Homebody, and today I'm going to show you how you can make this Miracle of the Sun suncatcher that is a great craft for Our Lady of Fatima's feast day. First, you're going to need multicolored tissue paper, a sun template, which you can find for free on my blog at catholichomebody.com, contact paper, tape, some twine or other string, a Sharpie or any other black marker, scissors, and a hole puncher. So now let's get into how to make the Miracle of the Sun suncatcher. First, start cutting strips of multicolored tissue paper. Make small pieces about a half to an inch long. Place a piece of contact paper over top the sun template. Make sure you place the contact paper sticky side up. Secure the contact paper using tape. This helps prevent the contact paper from sliding around. Once the contact paper is secure, you can now start adding the tissue paper pieces. You'll also want to make sure you cover the whole sun up. It's okay if you overlap the outline. Using different colors helps represent how the sun changed colors on that day of the Miracle of the Sun. Once you have your sun filled in, you can then cover it up with the second sheet of contact paper. Then trace the outline of the sun. Take your sun and cut it out along the outline. Then, using your hole punch, you're going to want to add a hole. Now, using your twine, you're going to want to make a loop for hanging. Now hang it up in your window and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy making this Miracle of the Sun suncatcher, a great craft for Our Lady of Fatima's feast day. And for more craft ideas, please check out my blog, CatholicHomebody.com, for more ideas. And if you enjoyed this project, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button.